Hey friends, if you wish to fix runtime error R6025 pure virtual function call on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So you have to download the Microsoft C++ Visual, okay? And then go to this website, which is learn.microsoft.com, and it shows the latest redistributable downloads. Pick up the absolute first one. Now scroll down and select the x84 one, okay, and then click on open. Wait for a few seconds, it needs to download. And one more thing, if you have a 32-bit computer, which is rare these days, then you can select the x86 one. But since most of us have a 64-bit computer, we will select the x64 one. And the reason that we are doing it is mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum. Basically, there are a few files which are missing, and this is causing the problem. And because of this problem, you will not be able to play a lot of games and use a lot of programs. So we will simply try to reinstall all of them through this method. Now click on install, click on yes, and it will install Microsoft C++ redistributable again. Basically, it will recover all the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.